Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the SK sound. We'll read words that begin with the SK sound and read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let's learn the SK sound. Listen carefully. I will say the SK sound 3 times. Ready? Sk, sk, sk. Now you say the SK sound 3 times along with me. Ready? Let us begin. Sk, sk, sk. Great job. Let's read words with the SK sound, like skunk and skin. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we'll say the SK sound, then we'll read the rest of the word, and finally, we will read the whole word. After reading the word list in this manner, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Sk, etch, sketch, sk, id, skid, sk, ill, skill, sk, m, skim, sk, in, skin, sk, ip, skip, sk, it, skit, sk, oh, skull, sk, unk, skunk. Great job. Now we will read the words straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Sketch, skid, skill, skim, skin, skip, skit, skull, skunk. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. The car began to skid on the wet road. Our skin helps protect our body. The children skip happily down the path. He will skim the book to find the main idea. Reading every day helps build your skill. The skull protects the brain inside your head. The skunk ran into the woods. He drew a sketch of a house. The class performed a funny skit on stage. Great job. You did it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 17. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review this lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.